$150. I got a video about a butter up, roll away, $150,000 shame.
No expense spared build here.
$140,000, $140, and now $140. I got a video about $130, $140, $140 now. What are you gonna do? I got a video about $140, and now $140,000, and now $140, and now $135, and now $35, and now $40, and now about now butter up, roll away, $140,000 shame, $145, and now $145. I got a bit 5, I got a bit 5, I got a bit change, $145.
Now the vehicle's finished in the Bamboo Blue on top and underneath. It was featured in the Canadian Hot Rod magazine. That's included in the sale.
Now 50, and now 45, 50, and now 50. I got a bit 50, I got a bit $150,000, I got a bit $155, I got a bit that 60, and now 160, and now 160. I got a bit $160,000, and now 160,000, and now 160,000, and I'm a little bit. I got a bit $160,000 right through, and now 5, and now 170,000, and now 170 grand. I got a bit